In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run sales reports in Shopify POS. This is a critical skill for any business owner who's looking to get the most out of their point-of-sale system. Understanding how to efficiently run sales reports in Shopify POS can truly make a world of difference in managing your business operations, tracking performance, and ultimately, enhancing your strategic decisions. Let's get started. First things first, open up your favorite web browser. You know the drill. It could be Chrome, Firefox, or any other that you prefer. Once you're ready, head over to the search bar and type in Shopify to find the official Shopify website. When the page loads, log into your account. If you have multiple accounts, make sure you're selecting the one linked to your POS system for the most accurate data. It's always helpful to have your login credentials handy to avoid any delays. Once you're logged in, you're going to want to focus on the left-hand side of the screen. In that menu, go ahead and click on Analytics. This is your gateway to all the data you can pull from Shopify. After clicking Analytics, you'll want to select Reports from the drop-down menu that appears. In the Reports section, you'll see a wealth of data at your fingertips. To streamline what you're looking at, click the Category filter. From here, choose Sales to narrow down the reports to those specifically related to sales data. This approach helps you avoid information overload by focusing solely on what's important. For those of you who are specifically interested in point-of-sale data, there's another helpful tip. Find the Retail Sales category within these options. This is where you'll find POS-specific data, making it easier to analyze in-person transactions separately from your online sales. Now, once you've selected the report you're interested in, you're going to see a detailed view of your sales data. Most reports allow you to tailor what you're seeing to better fit your needs. For instance, you can adjust the date range to look at a specific period. This customization is particularly beneficial if you're running a promotion or want to compare year-over-year sales for the same period. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully navigated through Shopify to run your sales reports. Analyzing these reports can offer invaluable insights, helping you to identify trends, track your progress, and make informed decisions about your business. Thank you for watching this guide on running sales reports in Shopify POS. I hope you found it helpful and feel more empowered to use your sales data proactively. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips and tricks. Until next time, happy analyzing!